I'm so mad at you. I can't believe you just did that.
That was my bad.
Dear Bosco. The tragic fables of passion for and desire
for trousers.
An amphibian in trousers. Wait, trousers. And a trio of Portuguese ratatouilles.
No, because remember in the commercial for they're like RATOUL.
Portuguese glamorous. No, Portuguese eyeballs.
I'll spell it different.
I almost don't.
Do it again.
See, this is recording. This is really annoying. Bosco, this is all your fault. Sorry.
All your fault.
No, the first time was your fault. You just called me a bitch.
I did.
Big bitch with no limits. Blame it out.
Here, let's make it only him.
Bosco. No, I think everyone should see it.
Glamorous.
Okay. The tragic fable.
Okay, first of all, I can't stop mentioning this. That's not how you spell tragic.
A passion
fruit
and
amphibian
in trousers eating cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce.
It's not in the plan. Not in the job description.
What's another thing I should put? BS in psychology.
BM. Bowel movement. Do you remember that?
Wasn't it my mom?
Sweet Life with your cousin Mary. What does she want?
Hi, Mary Dwyer. Shout out to Mary Dwyer and Sam.
In the bowel movement.
Cap? RMC. That's where I'm going. Let's go. Let's be dorm partners in Robert Morris College. That's where we can learn how to be. We're going to be bloggers when we're older. We're going to have a new Facebook, MySpace. It's going to be called...
It's not bowel movement.
Bowel.
How do you spell bowel? I think it's B-O-W.
How do you spell bowel?
E-L.
Okay, you're taking too long. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. Ta-ta real smooth.